Is there anybody out there? Sometimes when I get too quiet, I forget to breathe. I probably should talk about this thing that's bothering me a bit before I get to the one that I was really aiming to discuss. Because again, I made the mistake of looking at things before discussing something, and this AI sort of discussions or impacts or whatever it is that the AI is currently holding in this planet, or yeah, basically the AI and its existence and its effects. I've been trying to really talk myself out of going to this dark tunnel because of the existence of the AI. Like dark tunnel as in yeah, you know how the AI impacts the artists, the writers, the in general the creative field, right? It's not a secret how a lot of the artists are alarmed by this. And now that I'm speaking about it, there is a tiny voice inside my head that is trying to find a path that I can, or not path that, but be, there is some rope forming somewhere which in my brain, which is asking me to pay attention to it, just so that I don't really go or sink, so that I won't sink. Because this is something, the AI is bothering me. Because, yeah, there, I said it. The AI is bothering me. Yeah, that's how I feel about it. It's causing some kind of, well, why bother? The AI, why bother with my writing? Why bother with my, why bother with my with developing my voice? Why bother with pushing or immersing myself with experiences or things, or learning to improve my art? Why bother? The AI is there, the people will. Yeah, basically that kind of, and it's quite a dark place inside my head when if I really allow it to be. But then there's also that alternative perspective of, well, AI only gives the results. And the answer for why bother, if I ask myself, AI is already serving results in 1 second or even faster than a second, why bother? Because why bother if I ask myself that? Why bother if AI is the one who's... Why bother? If I were to ask you, are you a creative person? Do you have interest in this? Do you also have this little hope that maybe if I pursue what I like, I will be able to the first thing that came to my mind was if I will pursue what I like and really give results, come up with pages, a final product, and sell it, I can buy my parents a house. That's the first thing. And second thing was, well, I could leave behind something that other people can enjoy when I pass away. There is something that's... I forgot my quest, where I'm going with this. Yeah, why bother? Yeah, I will go back to the why bother, sort of. Why bother? Why bother? Well, because I like it, though. I like it. I like what I'm doing. I like the discoveries. I like the parts of myself that I get to explore whenever I write those sentences. I like it. It scares me sometimes, but then also makes me believe in something, that I'm not just dust. That's how I feel whenever I create something, no matter how small or simple it may be. Sometimes it could be as complex that it can take a longer time to finish. It makes I like the feeling that it gives me, and it makes me believe that I'm something that's not just one grain of dust in this. And why bother? Why bother when the AI can deliver results faster, which in this society, this the way the society is constructed, it's favoring faster results. It's so messy in my head right now. I hope I hope you're still there. And I hope I can make my point across. My answer to why bother? Why bother? Because why bother? If I were to answer that question, yes, I would bother still, even if AI is there. Because I know for a fact even way before AI existed, I know for a fact that I will die. I know for a fact that there will be a day that the earth will not be anymore. There's even way before AI existed. So does the existence of the AI actually, is it bigger than the truth that the world will, that there will be a time that the world will not exist anymore? That's what I'm asking myself. Because even before AI existed, I already know that even if I write the greatest story, paint the most complex, life consuming, but the most fulfilling masterpiece that I can ever create with all my capability and experience and years on earth, if I get to that point where I can make that kind of something or write some kind of something, that's my life's work, or the good, or the good that I can that will branch out through my existence or my mind or my words or my impact on other people's lives. At the end of the at the end of whatever, whenever this may end, it will end. It like, it's a fact. Even before AI came to existence, I have already known it, that there will be a time that everything will burn, in that I will die. There will be a time that I will not be able to speak anymore because I'm dead. So why bother? Why bother? Still, death is bigger than AI. In my mind, death has more impact. The death of all things, not just the death of me. The death of all things. AI is just not as big as the death of all things. So why bother? Why bother? Because for me, I do like writing, though. I do like writing. I do like singing. I like it. Even if AI can produce a song in 1 second, or a book or a novel in a matter of seconds, does that mean that the thing that I can produce with these two hands in this brain, does that mean that it doesn't matter? What matters really? What matters? It matters to me. At least there's one matters to me. Why bother? Because even though why bother? Why bother? Because it's impossible for me not to care. I guess that's the simplest. If I really reduce it to this. Why bother? Because it's impossible for me not to care. Not to care. It's impossible. I care a lot about certain things, and it's stronger than the AI domination, I guess. So yeah, I'm glad I went through this winding journey about how I feel, even though I don't like it. I don't like how I feel, and I don't like some impacts of this AI, especially in the creative fields. But it's not gonna still stop me from doing what I like.